Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Mr. CM. Today we are going to see how to make Medu Vada. I am Chef Anand Vijay Kumar, all the way from India. And now, the preparation of the Medu Vada, we have a door dal. That's the main ingredients. And this door dal have to soak in a water for 4 hours, otherwise overnight. And then we are going to grind the door dal. After we make a nice smooth paste, we add the onion, green chilies, black peppercorn and salt. Mix the batter. Add some of rice flour and then cilantro. Usually the shape we make like a donut. Exterior or nice and crispy and interior is very soft. It's a very popular item in South India. It's generally eaten as a breakfast or a snack. It goes with beautiful chutneys. Now it's coming nice and crispy and golden brown color. The other side I'm going to make a Dahi Vada. So I have a yogurt. Dahi means yogurt. Adding some salt, mixed together. Now adding the mustard seed and curry leaves, which is I tempting already with the oil. So we bring the flavor from the curry leaves and the spice from the mustard. Adding some green chilies and cilantro. I have a couple of Medu Vada on the bowl. We start to pour the dahi, which is mixed already. So we soak the vada into the yogurt and keep it on the side for 30 minutes. And we garnish it with some Indian crispy snacks. And another bowl we are making a sambar vada, which is in my previous video you can see how to make a sambar. So we soak the Medu Vada and the sambar for 30 minutes. In the meantime we are preparing the coconut chutney, and you can find my another video for the coconut chutney as well. Now it's the time for the presentations. We have a plain vada and we have a sambar vada. And then we have a Dahi Vada, which is soaked for 30 minutes into the yogurt. And we're making a small bite-sized Medu Vada as well. That's for the kids. So it's a very good evening snacks, and at the same time we can have it on the breakfast as well. One of the most popular Medu Vada, which is a soft vada, and it goes with a beautiful coconut chutney. We see these all three different types, so plain and Dahi Vada and sambar vada. Have a wonderful breakfast, ladies and gentlemen. Great day.